Back in mid-July, I had released a video showing you that I would start mining Ergo coin. Fast forward to September and I'm still holding on to the Ergo coin that I had mined. Today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be showing you how now the price of Ergo coin has tripled in value. I'll be showing you how many coins I had mined back in July and the profitability that I am now making. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so you remember how back in July I had mentioned that I was going to start mining Ergo coin, and I did actually mine Ergo coin during the month of July, and now the price of Ergo coin is at 15 euros and 75 cents, as you can see here. Now back then when I was actually going to start mining Ergo coin back in July, the price was at around 4 euros. So from 4 euros, it has gone up to 15.75, which is almost 4 times more the value than I had actually started mining. Now, I was actually mining this on Hero Miners because at the time of this video, Unmineable still do not offer Ergo coin for mining on their pools. So I had to mine on Hero Miners, which is a good pool as well. You can check out my videos on how I was going to mine on that pool in the link above or in the description below to find out more. I also have another video coming out soon showing you how you can mine Ergo coin using NB Miner as well. Here I was sending my coins onto the exchange on CoinX. So Ergo coin is not on all the exchanges. So it's not on exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, for example. So I did mine it to my CoinX wallet and to the CoinX exchange. And I spent most of July mining Ergo coin. Now, in the entire time that I mined Ergo coin, I actually managed to gather around 55 coins. So if I just go back here and go to assets, spot account, you can see that here I now have a total of 870 euros by mining Ergo coin, and I did mine Ergo coin for most of July. It wasn't the entire month, it was more like 3.5 weeks, but I did manage to hold on to the coins, and now the profits have really gone up. So if I actually find Ergo here and I just type in Ergo, you will see that I have mined 55.48 Ergo coins in the month of July, when it was 4 euros at that time. So I spent, let's say, roughly around 80 euros in electricity costs to mine Ergo. It is less power hungry. It is around 100 watts less to mine Ergo coin versus other coins like, for example, Solana coin or Ethereum. So it is less power hungry, which is also a benefit there because you will be saving on your electricity costs as well. So 55 Ergo coins, which amount to 870 euros. So if you do the 55.4 times the 15.75 that it costs today, you can see it's 872 euros, okay, and 55 cents. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. Do hold on to these coins. If you are enticed to sell them, I mean, go ahead. I mean, the price has gone up. It has quadrupled, but who knows if the 15 might become 50 or 100 or 1,000. But there has to be a point where you have to make a decision and say, listen, I'm happy with what I made. 870 euros, I was never expecting that from 55 Ergo coins. I mean, that's quite a good amount as well. So I might actually start selling some of these, if not all of them, but we'll give it a few more days to see how it goes as well. Do remember that cryptocurrency markets are volatile markets, so do take care when trading and when mining as well. And if you do have hardware that you need to pay off and electricity bills that you do need to pay, then unless you actually sell part of that coin, you don't know for certain that you've actually made that profit. But at the time of this video, at the moment, I do have that profit if I were to sell it right now, just to be clear. But I am not going to sell it just yet. I would be inclined to do a stop loss limit so that if the coin does actually go down, for example, from 15.75 lower than, let's say, 13 euros, I would just say, listen, just sell, okay? Because if it does keep on going down even further, then I'd be making even more of a loss. So you could do that as well. Like always, I am not giving you any financial advice. I'm not telling you that this coin is going to continue to rise in price, but it has done well. And when I did mention this back in July, I told you kind of do not forget about this coin, because it does have a lot of solid potential, and I still believe that it does have solid potential. And as you can see now, the price has gone up and this coin has shown to be a winner as well. So guys, I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Hit that like button and hit the notification bell for more great Techo videos when they come out on my channel. And until next time, as always, take very good care of yourselves.